Jessica! Hey! What the? Where am I? What the? Get me out of here! I'm late for work! Had to pay the bill! Who's the asshole who put these so far away? No man! I don't like it here. Has very bad feng shui. I can feel it. Very bad Kama Sutra. Hello, Ching Chong. What the fuck? What the hell is that? What kind of movie is this, huh? It must be channel SBS. You don't know me, but I know you. Oh, I think I know you. You sound like Batman. I'm not Batman. Shit. I want to play a game. Hey, then let me go. You gay, ugly lipstick puppet. I can't believe. Silence. I'll kill you. All your life you've been a menace to society. And a squinty flat-faced bitch, and it's because of these sins I have put you through this test. Hey, if Sin tell you to jump off a bridge, would you jump, huh? What? Huh? What? Huh? Anyway, what sin did I do, huh? What did I do? You're ugly, you stink, like fish sauce, you eat chicken feet when you go to Yum Cha, man, that's kinda gross, that's wrinkly, ugh. How do you eat that shit? What else? You can't drive, you don't indicate when you turn, like, jeez, what's your problem? What else? One time I went to a Chinese restaurant and I got food poisoning, the owner kinda looked like you. So basically I just don't like you. On your left, you'll find a device with a hammer on it. I made it myself. I think it's pretty sick. So here's how it works. So this is like the hammer, right? And that's like your face. Yes, the resemblance is uncanny. So what happens is, like, ow! Jesus! Ow! Ow! Yeah. So juicy. You've got 30 seconds to escape. Live or die. Raise your voice. I mean, damn it. Make your choice. Raise Your Voice was a Hilary Duff movie I watched last night. No! Stay away now! No! No! Oh no! Oh no! Fucking asshole! Congratulations. You have survived, Ching Chong. Changity. Oh, thank you. And, nice pajama. Thanks.